Living in New Orleans means enjoying vibrant culture, historic neighborhoods, and warm weather nearly year-round. But that same heat and humidity can put serious pressure on your home's cooling system and your energy bills. If you're looking for a practical way to keep your home comfortable while reducing monthly costs, vinyl replacement windows can make a noticeable difference. The energy challenge in New Orleans homes face unique climate demands. Long summers, high humidity, and frequent temperature swings mean air conditioners often work overtime. Older windows, especially those with single panes, warped frames, or poor seals, allow cooled air to escape and hot outdoor air to seep in. The result is higher energy usage and rising utility bills. Replacing outdated windows with modern vinyl replacement windows helps address these issues at their source. Superior insulation that keeps cool air inside vinyl windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Unlike older aluminum or wood frames, vinyl does not conduct heat easily. This natural insulating quality helps maintain indoor temperatures by slowing heat transfer between the inside and outside of your home. Most vinyl replacement windows also feature double or triple pane glass with insulating air spaces between the panes. These layers act as a barrier, reducing the amount of heat that enters your home during hot New Orleans summers. When your home stays cooler for longer periods, your air conditioner doesn't have to run as often, leading to lower energy bills. Tight seals that prevent air leaks. One of the biggest energy wasters in many homes is air leakage around windows. Gaps, cracks, and worn weather stripping allow cooled air to escape and humid air to enter. Vinyl replacement windows are custom fitted to your window openings, creating a tight seal that significantly reduces drafts and air leaks. With fewer gaps, your HVAC system operates more efficiently, maintaining consistent indoor temperatures without constantly cycling on and off. Over time, this efficiency translates into noticeable savings on monthly utility costs. Low maintenance without sacrificing performance. Vinyl windows are not only energy efficient, they're also easy to maintain. Unlike wood frames that can swell, rot, or crack in humid conditions, vinyl resists moisture and holds its shape. This durability helps the window maintain its seal and insulation performance year after year. Because vinyl doesn't require repainting or refinishing, homeowners save both time and money while enjoying long-term energy efficiency. UV protection that reduces heat gain. Many vinyl replacement windows include advanced glass coatings designed to reflect harmful UV rays. These coatings reduce solar heat gain while still allowing natural light into your home. That means rooms stay brighter without becoming overheated, helping keep indoor temperatures comfortable even on the hottest days. As a bonus, UV protection helps prevent fading of furniture, flooring, and window treatments, adding value beyond energy savings. A smart investment for long-term savings. While replacing windows is an upfront investment, vinyl replacement windows often pay for themselves over time through reduced energy costs. Lower monthly bills, improved indoor comfort, and reduced strain on your HVAC system all contribute to long-term savings. For New Orleans homeowners, vinyl replacement windows also add resale appeal. Energy-efficient upgrades are increasingly important to buyers, especially in climates where cooling costs can be high. Comfort you can feel, savings you can see. Vinyl replacement windows offer more than just a fresh look for your home. They create a more comfortable living environment, reduce energy waste, and help keep cooling costs under control, an important benefit in New Orleans' warm, humid climate. If your current windows are outdated or inefficient, upgrading to vinyl replacement windows could be one of the smartest steps you take toward lower energy bills and year-round comfort.